Hey everybody, Nick here, co-host of the Galactic Windows Space Podcast. Just want to share a quick update with you all regarding the return of the show for season 3. You might remember that in our previous episode, Tan and I shared that we'd be taking a 4-week break and returning on August 11th with episode 60, featuring special guest Ryan ONeal, aka Sleeping at Last. Now, in the interim, Ryan's team reached out to us and informed us that unfortunately he'd be traveling to the UK for his tour much sooner than expected. So he won't be able to make the show for the August 11th date. So we understand completely that Ryan has priorities he needs to tend to, and we are fully supportive of that. And we want Ryan to do well on his tour. So we're actually working with his team to find a new date for you guys to have Ryan on the show. So hope is not lost. Don't worry. And we apologize to those of you who were looking forward to tonight and this conversation. But we're extremely grateful to the Sleeping at Last team for even giving us this chance and for continuing to give us a future opportunity. So thank you guys so much. And we are very, very excited to have Ryan on the show to share his story behind his astronomy inspired music. So in the meantime, that gives you guys a chance to go listen to more Sleeping at Last music, right? Like that's the whole point. Maybe this is just like a secret opportunity for all of us. What's the phrase? Every opportunity or every problem is an opportunity in disguise. There it is. Yeah, eventually got there. So you guys are probably all wondering, when is the show coming back then? Like if it's not tonight, when is it coming back? And Tan and I have talked about this at length, and we decided, hey, if we can't do 60 tonight, let's lean into the extra time. Let's keep working on the show, which we are. We've been meeting every week. We are working behind the scenes on upgrades and improvements. Let's take the time and get there comfortably and feel really good about it with no deadline. So that's kind of where we're at. We're not setting a date for a return of the show yet. We're actually going to just trust the process. So the best thing you guys can be doing right now is, 1, listen to Sleeping at Last. 2, make sure you're subscribed to me here, the Orbital Alliance on YouTube, so you don't miss any video updates or text post updates. And also follow Chasing the Milk, so you can hear from Tan as well. He might be sharing updates from his perspective. And then when we do know a date, we'll share it with you guys as soon as possible. As always, we are extremely grateful for every ounce of support you guys give us. Every minute that you watch or listen to the show, your memberships and subscriptions, all of it helps keep the show alive, and we are appreciative. So hope you guys are having a fantastic summer if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, or winter in the Southern Hemisphere. And until the next update, we will see you all on the other side.